Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Just Girly Stuff 101. My name is Pallavi and today I'm going to review some lipsticks for you. So I bought these lipsticks. It's from a brand called Selimi. It's a Singaporean brand and I found this Instagram store and it was available in a set of 11 lipsticks and it was very inexpensive. So, and I had seen a lot of posts about these lipsticks on Instagram as well, so I thought I could give it a try because everyone was just raving about it and saying it's very good quality for the price it is offered at. So these are liquid lipsticks, although it's written lip gloss and matte, but these are liquid lipsticks and I have tried a couple of these, although I haven't worn it for a really long time, so I can't tell you how these perform for a huge period of time. But I'm going to show you all the swatches of these lipsticks, and the last lipstick that I'll swatch, I'll keep it on my lips for a couple hours and then I'll come back here and tell you guys how it works after leaving it on. So as I said, I have used this lip product, couple of these, and what I can tell you is that with these liquid lipsticks, less is more. You have to go with a really light hand and you have to use as less of the product as you can. So as you can see, it is very opaque. I just have to go all over my lip just once. I don't have to drag it around. It's very opaque in just the first application. So the lipstick has completely dried off and it looks completely matte, and I'm going to show you it's transfer proof as well. Okay, a tiny little bit of lipstick came off, but that's fine, I guess. Also, like I mentioned, these lipsticks have 30 grams of product. Although it's not written here, I weighed it in my food weighing scale. So yes, this has 30 grams of product. I would just quickly like to compare with my other lip creams. This is the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream and it's written on this packaging it contains 6.5 grams of product, and in this lipstick you get 30 grams of product, which is a huge difference. Although the casing is heavy, it is kind of glass, it's plastic, that does matter, but again it has so much more product than this one. I'm not comparing the quality or anything, I'm just saying the amount of product is a lot more in this one than this one, although I love these ones. So I removed my liquid lipstick and I used some coconut oil on a piece of cloth, and then I wiped it all off, and then I used a wet cloth to remove the product, and as you can see it did leave a stain, but I had to rub really hard to get rid of the stain. So the first lipstick that I'm going to swatch is in the shade 08. And now I'm going to swatch the shade 11. It's a corally peachish kind of a shade. I like lipsticks with a kind of a pink undertone to it, something pink. I don't think I can pull off orange or nude colors that much, I feel, but it doesn't look as bad, does it? And this is what it looks like on my arm. So this shade, as you can see, I applied a little bit more product than the last shade and it feels a little sticky, not the kind of feeling which will bother you as much, but it still feels a little sticky, which you can get away with. So yes, this is the second swatch and let's move on to the third lipstick. Okay, this is a kind of a hot red with some orange undertones. Oh, I love this shade. Oh my god, I don't trust myself with a dark, bright, vibrant lip color. I always go outside my lips. Ooh. Okay, in the swatch it looked like a very kind of a red shade, but on my lips it looks more orangey than red, and I like that about it. This is what it looks like. In person it's really pink, it's a nude pink, I don't know if the camera can catch it well, but it's a nude pink and I'm really liking this shade. You know, for swatching these lipsticks, I feel like I've used more coconut oil than my lipsticks. So I feel coconut oil is the best way to remove your liquid lipsticks. It will just help you wipe them off really easily because they don't budge. If you use some water or a wet cloth or my wet tissue, it doesn't work with that. This is what it looks like on my lips. I feel this shade is kind of repetitive. I don't know which shade looked like this the most, but I feel it's kind of a repetitive shade. Hello everybody, so on that day I did wear that lipstick shade number 18, but when I came back for an update, I did film a video but the quality was too bad, so I decided to do this again. And today I was wearing this shade number 7 on the edges of my lips, and on the center of my lips I used this shade number 18, and this is how it looks like. It's been 4 hours since I've been wearing this lipstick and I do not feel uncomfortable at all. As you can see, the lipstick hasn't chipped off from anywhere. The edges seem really smooth and really precise, just as they were when I first applied it. They are really long lasting, as you can see. It's really humid here, so you should also keep that in mind. Even after being in such a humid condition, the lips have stayed just as they were when I first applied it. So I really like that about it. I can wear this lipstick for an even longer period of time, so that's not an issue. And honestly, I can't find anything wrong with these lipsticks, because when I bought them they were really inexpensive, and I thought that there would be something wrong with these lipsticks, but I can't find anything wrong with this. They are really good quality. You get a lot of product, like I said, 30 ml of product in one lipstick, and very affordable, very long lasting, and a huge variety of lip colors. If you order this in a set of 11, you will find a lot of shades that will suit your skin tone. So yes, that's all about these Celine lipsticks, and I really hope you give it a try. And yes, that was it for this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.